Have you lost your Nigerian passport? Did you misplace your Nigerian passports and now you don't know what to do and you don't know how to go about it, or the documents that you need to get a new Nigerian passport in America? Worry no more, because this video is for you. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on this channel, welcome. My name is Joy, and this channel I share tutorials, I share tips on how to renew your Nigerian passports abroad, especially here in US. All the details, NIN, everything that you need to know about Nigerian passport, traveling to Nigeria. And today's video I am going to be talking about the documents, everything you need for you to get your Nigerian passport that you lost. If you have lost your Nigerian passport recently, here are all the required documents for lost Nigerian passport application when you're making the application. And just know that if these things that I'm going to mention is not complete, your passport might be delayed or it will not be reissued to you. So pay attention to this and watch this video to the end. First thing you need to know is that if you lose your Nigerian passport or you misplace your Nigerian passport, there is a fee of a penalty fee of $350 payable to the Nigerian consulate for New York, Atlanta, or Washington DC. So I need you to be aware of that penalty fee of $350. And the penalty fee will be paid by money order. Do not get money order from your bank or anywhere else except the USPS money order. In addition to that, before you start the application, you make the application for reissuance of your stolen Nigerian passport. You must have a police report. And before you to get the police report, first of all, you have to request a letter from the Nigerian consulate, and the letter from the consulate will be addressed to the police in your residence area where you live, whatever state you live in. They are going to address that letter to that police, and then you will take the letter to the police, and then they will give you the police report that you will use for your application for reissuance of your Nigerian passports, for the loss of your Nigerian passport. Once you have the police report, then you can begin the application for your reissuance of your passport. A printed copy of your online e-passport application form, a printed copy of your payment confirmation slip, a printed copy of your appointment confirmation slip showing the appointment date. Note the difference. There is an appointment confirmation slip and there is a payment confirmation slip. You need both of those slips. The police report for your lost passport, a USPS money order for the $350 penalty fee for a lost or misplaced passport. Only the USPS money orders are accepted, nothing else. And listen to this one. A prepaid USPS overnight express mail envelope with tracking number. It has to be a USPS self-addressed envelope, and it has to be overnight. And also go with your credit card, because there's going to be a processing fee of $50, which they call administrative fee. You're going to pay administrative fee of $50 when you get to the embassy. So those are everything you need for the replacement of your lost Nigerian passport. I hope this video was helpful to you. And if you have more questions, let me know in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer all your questions. And if this video was helpful to you, please do share, like, and subscribe for more Nigerian travel tips, passport renewals, and your NIN questions. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care.